HMD Global has scheduled an event for December where the company is expected to launch new Nokia smartphones. So far, reports suggest that there will be two Nokia smartphones, Nokia 8.2 and Nokia 2.3. A new leak now reveals the expected pricing for the entry-level Nokia 2.3. According to a report by Nokia Power User, the Nokia 2.3 smartphone could be priced at €97, which translates to roughly Rs 8,700. The report also states that the Nokia 2.3 will be available in charcoal color, which is already present in the Nokia phones. The pricing is slightly different than the one reported a few days back by the same website. Nokia 2.3 was earlier said to carry a price tag of €93, Rs 7,400 approximately. Although a small difference in pricing, both reports confirm Nokia 2.3 to be budget smartphone. As far as specs are concerned, Nokia 2.3 is expected to feature a 6.1-inch HD display and it will be powered by a MediaTek chipset. The smartphone is said to come with dual SIM support, near-stock Android UI and a 3920 mAh battery. More expected features on the Nokia 2.3 include Bluetooth 5.0 and a 16-megapixel rear camera. Nokia 8.2 will be the company's premium offering with flagship-level specifications and features. Nokia 8.2 is expected to launch a 64-megapixel quad camera, a pop-up selfie camera and run on Qualcomm Snapdragon 730 processor. The smartphone is rumored to offer up to 8GB of RAM and 256GB of built-in storage. Nokia 8.2 is also highly expected to be the company's first mid-range 5G smartphone.